Sultans of Snap, All Must Bow. This is their first album released in year 2004. Well, let's start. Front cover, pasensya na kung hindi ko napalitan itong jewel case. Yep, as you can see, it's cracked. Down left, yeah, sorry. Yep, no catalog number since it's self-release. Yes, that's right. Okay, inlay cover. Ayan, 6 tracks. Yeah, gabi. More than 7 minutes. Ano to? Unauthorized reproduction, copying, public performance, and broadcasting of this record is prohibited. Tang ina mo pag nilabag mo to. Yeah, I like that shit. CD. Yup. Yes. This is a factory press. So, alam ng OMB, aka Optical Media Board. Ayan. Makita nyo. Yeah. Ay, oops. Oh, alis. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Put it back, baby. Oops. Okay, there you go. Okay, the booklet. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Oh, no. Okay. Hey. Yes. Yep. And, yep, ito na yan, guys. Ito. Yan. Makita nyo. At yung special things. Sandali. Ayan. Okay. Pwede nyo i-post yan. Okay. Alright. Now, sorry guys, there's no lyrics. So, let's go to social media. Yup, unfortunately, mukhang hindi na active itong Facebook page nila. Yup, nung March 5, 2016. Tagal. Well, thank you for watching. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.